Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. In today's video we are going to unbox this particular item. So this particular item is going to be something special. So
Yeah, it's going to be something special. Like, I'm not going to tell you because I also don't know what it is. He's like put it as a surprise for me also.
okay, so let's open it.
Personally, I don't know what he orders.
Ta-da!
Wow.
Wow, so nice. Yeah,
Let
show everyone now. Show
Let's
everyone.
see this. All of these. Now we are going to see how it feels like because I have never seen it. So now you
Sit
actually know
down.
this. It's like for your elbow like this.
Very
If you
nice.
want to keep something, then you can keep
Very nice.
like this. See, this is the.
So here we have a mobile phone. And we have to put this mobile phone in here. I suppose the
No, not here. Here.
smaller one is not for the mobile use. That is an extra
Yeah,
one.
this is like for the earphone.
Oh yes, right. I mean, if you want to keep some like a wallet or something here, you can keep. And here there is a space for the mobile phone. So mobile phone, my 6 inches nearly. Mobile is easily fitting.
I think someone was open this first only.
Yeah, someone had opened it. I don't know who.
I think my mama. She didn't notice.
Okay, fine. So here we have put the mobile in here. There is a small hole here so that the earphones can just come out of this hole.
See.
Wait,
How
let's
this
connect. Wait,
hole
let's
is.
connect the earphones now. Wait,
Yeah.
I'll get the earphones here. It is here. It is. Don't get up, huh?
Okay.
So
See,
this
we
is
have
the
this
same earphones we had used some days ago.
Yeah, and also this, we made a channel of this. If you want to see, then just go to the next channel.
Same. I mean, other video. Here
Yeah.
there is a small hole, so should be going to this. Yes, it is. So basically this is very helpful in case you want to use this mobile for jogging purposes. So here I am connecting it to this hole. Here the wire goes to it, and tada, it's almost done. The set.
And also put something. Wait, I'm going to bring.
No, don't go anywhere. Sit down.
How about wait?
What?
1 minute, wait.
So she is searching for some saman to be put. I mean some item to be put inside the box. So here the setup is ready. Now what I can do is I can easily go for jogging. As in like normally while jogging, your
And also, if you want to make one other video, then you can just take this and put it there.
yeah you can put your action camera inside this.
Put it and show everyone.
Okay, fine. Sit down.
It's already opened.
It's open. Okay, let's try to put this. This is quite big actually, I would say. I don't recommend putting such a big item.
Yeah.
Maybe you might have to open it. It's like slightly too big. So in case you want to keep some change or something. Oh wow, it's nearly fitting, yeah. Very nice. Yes, it fitted. It just exactly fitted, as in like quite. I thought might not even fit. It was like looking too huge.
Yeah,
So
but
here the action camera also is fitted. So now I can easily go for a jog. I can turn the music on in my mobile, and then I can open this and then put it here like this, and I'm going to tighten
I
it up.
can do?
Yes, you tighten it up.
Wait, here it's not there. You have to put it over here.
No, it is there. It is there.
Okay, wait.
Sure, I'll put it. So somewhat like this. As for now, I'm finding it like too heavy. It's too heavy right now.
Let me put.
Actually, it is heavy because of the action camera, which had been inserted the oversize.
Let me put something else.
So I'll just remove it and let's see how it feels
Let
now.
me put something else. It's just.
So now it's feeling so lightweight, and you can easily go for a jog.
Wait, put this. If you want to like, put.
Lightweight.
I need
So she's
charger.
putting a random charger inside now.
Yeah, I put a random.
The mobile charger. So now
And
I
put
can.
it here. Put it here for me. Even I want to see.
Wait, let's test it out fully.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm
Wait,
here.
let me
I'm here.
close it.
I'm here.
It's not closed.
Yeah.
It's not
Okay.
closed. Yeah, it's not closed. Let me close it. Nice.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here, and now I'm going to test, like, imagine I'm jogging. So you can see, let's show you're coming in between. Yeah, you can imagine like you are actually running like top.
Now give me. I want.
Chalo, now you sit here and you do it. Chal. I'm going to put it in your hand.
Okay, I'm a little short, so it's not my waist. Because
So it's fitting in the thinnest hand actually. You can see it's like fitting. You can tuck it like, and here you will have to wear earphones while jogging, na?
yeah, because jogging,
Come
you
here.
just don't want to hear the
Sit down.
footsteps.
So put this on your ears like this, right, left, and right. Sit. And now show everyone. Turn and show.
Wait, I can't put it. It's not my.
Oh, it's not your size. Anyways, just put it. If it's not fitting, yes. Tuck it and see if it's. Just leave it. Okay, so now you can go for a jog like this. Amazing, na bros? Amazing. Na?
I don't even need to like sit because I'm small, but not bros.
Okay, fine. So sit down here. Sit down here.
Yeah, I'm feeling so good.
Yeah, so this is it for the video. In case you want to purchase this thing, if you want to purchase, you need to purchase it from the link in the description.
We didn't read these. What are these? We didn't
This
read.
is just the bill. Yeah, this is nothing much. So chuck it. I don't want to show this. It's a bill. It's nothing much. So just ignore it. So anyways, say bye to everyone. Bye. Take care.